Let's open the box of the Ryobi. The Ryobi has a kit and comes with a number of different things. Comes with a blade, a narrow blade, a hook and loop sanding pad, and a number of different grits of sandpaper, as well as an Allen wrench for blade change. This review is the P343, which is their low end, but it does have a light variable speed, but not a toolless release. The more expensive one, the PBLM T50, has a tool-free accessory release and also a brushless motor. But for my purposes, this is going to be adequate, and that's why we're going to look at this one. So let's release the Allen key, or the Allen nut. And then we'll put on the blade. And we'll place this. Get it exactly right so it doesn't move, and snug it up. We'll put a battery in and give it a whirl. Low speed, high speed. Notice the LED work light, very nice.